Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're dyeing my client's hair jet black. As you can see, she has had some previous color on those ends. We colored her hair like a honey blonde almost 2 years ago, and it's grown out to this. So let's get started. So here's the thing, when you're going from a really light color like a blonde to a very dark color like a jet black, you have to fill in that missing pigment. This is called a color fill. Now, this is the step that a lot of people miss, especially when they're doing their hair at home. You go and get a black and you put a black on a blonde, and then all of a sudden that color is very hollow and it's just like, it's not the color at all that you wanted. It's so light, even muddy even, and you're just like, what happened? That's because you didn't fill in the color. When we lighten our hair, we are actually taking away a lot of color. That's what gives you the nice, light, bright blonde. You take away the reds, the oranges, and even yellows in your hair. So when you're going from a blonde back down to a dark color, you need to put all those colors back. Now, that's something that a professional would know. So if you've ever experienced that, then I would say go to a professional so you don't have to worry about all that. Thankfully, only the blonde is really at those very ends, so I don't have to really worry about the final result. But I just wanted to mention that because that's something that a lot of people struggle with when going from a light color to a dark color, and I just wanted to explain why. All right, so here's the color after being processed and washed out, and look at those curls. They just look so nice in the jet black. Like, honestly, dark hair looks so healthy. I try and tell my clients this. To give her hair a treatment after the coloring process, I'm grabbing my deep repair treatment, and that is my deep conditioner, and it's just going to strengthen and moisturize her hair, especially after color, which can leave the hair dry, especially after those hair cuticles have been opened up during the coloring process. I'm just going to work that in with my fingers first, and then I'm going to follow up with my detangling brush, and that's just going to help detangle and saturate all her curls, so I make sure that everything is getting moisturized and touched by this deep conditioner. Now it's time for her blowout, and I'm just gonna go in with my leave-in conditioner, which is my emergency miracle treatment, and that's just gonna help moisturize her hair and help further seal in her hair color and protect her hair from split ends, and just helps detangle and just make her hair so much more manageable and keep it nice and moisturized. Then I'm grabbing my blow dry cream, which is Le Doux, and that's just gonna help protect her hair from the heat and also protect her hair color from fading fast from the heat as well. Le Doux is my all-time favorite when it comes to blow drying. And last but not least, to seal in all the moisture we've been putting in, all the goodness, I'm grabbing my amethyst oil, and that also has heat protection, and it's just gonna illuminate and help her hair really shine. After her blowout and trim, I'm grabbing that amethyst oil once again, and that is going to be our pressing oil. It's going to give it that extra heat protection and then make her hair shine and feel so silky and soft. Look at her hair already blown out. Doesn't it look so thick? I'm telling you, like, dark hair makes your hair look so deep and full. It's great, especially if you have like fine hair. I recommend. All right, so here's the finished product. You can already see how healthy and shiny her hair looks. At the very end, in those brown tips, that's where the blonde was. But if we didn't color fill, then it would have stuck out like a sore thumb. And we really like the little tint of brown at the end. Like, oh, her hair looks so good. If you've been thinking about doing jet black, this is your sign. Just do it, girl. Just do it. All right, so thanks for hanging out, guys. Be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next.